Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. It was a rough day for me today. I have been mostly doing double tops and head and shoulders and taking a lot of shorts lately. So the market was very strong all day, as most of you know, and nothing was really nothing was reversing from the top. So it took a lot of patience sitting and watching, and I was able to find this Tesla trade. So as you can see on the 15-minute chart, it threw up a shooting star, and I went short when it made a new low on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute, and on the 1-minute. My entry was right here, which isn't it's not a perfect entry. It would have been better here. I find that it's very hard to get a perfect entry on Tesla, and that's why I give it quite a bit of room when I'm trading it. My stop loss was above this peak, and I took partials on the way down at areas that were resistance earlier in the day. And actually, if you see on the 5-minute chart, it put up a really nice head and shoulders on the 5-minute. So I really could have added right here when it lost this neckline, but I didn't. I took a partial, like I said, at previous resistance levels, and the VWAP, then the a 50 moving average on the 5-minute chart. And then I was kind of almost out of shares, and I exited my entire position when it hit this previous daily level. And as you can see on the 1-minute chart, when it got down to that level, a ton of volume came in, and that also confirmed that I should just exit my position at that time, as you can see right here. But that was it. That was my Tesla trade. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday. Thanks for watching. Bye.